Hey guys, I'll be going through this LeetCode question related square. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do. I'll be going through one LeetCode question a day. So we are given 4 points and we want to find out if it's a square. So the thing to consider here is what is a square? The 4 sides of the square is going to be the same. AB, CD, AC, and BD. So same side. Another thing to consider is the diagonal length, AD and BC. So this is going to be all the possibility. We put it inside the unordered set and it's only going to be 2. If it's more than 2 or less than 2, it's not a square. Okay, so we know about this and let's try to code this out. First, we want to store the points into a vector. P1 to P4. After storing the point, since we need a set, we can use unordered set because the ordering does not matter. So we use unordered double. Okay, the reason why we use a double here is because when we find the distance, there's square root involved, and when we use square root, there's going to be decimal place. So we need to use a double. And we perform the for loop. So it's going to be constant time here, constant time complexity, because there's only going to be this number of points that we have to find for the square. It does not increase. Okay, from here we want to find a length. So let's just create a formula. I mean a method. So double distance. We take in 2 points. So we have the 2 points. We want to apply the distance formula. I'm just gonna type this out. Okay, so this is the distance formula. And okay, so int length equals to, we want to pass in the points I and j. So after passing a point, we want to check if the length is 0, if length equals 0, we want to return false, because if the length is 0 at any side, it's not going to be a square. Okay, then we just want to insert into the unordered set. Okay, so here it's going to be a double, yep. And we want to find out the size of the set. It's going to be equals to 2. Anything else, it means that it's not a square. Double length. Yeah. So let me just check. I think the idea is here, but something's wrong. Oh man. P1. Yep. I'm not gonna make this YouTube video again. Okay, let me just find. You said insert the length, which is a double. We find the size. Why is it returning false? IJ double length equals 0. It seems right. You said distance passing 2 points IJ. What? Why is the size 5? Gosh. Pretty sure it's because I'm not applying the right distance formula. P1. Okay, I'm just gonna like paste it here. It's gonna be really hard to debug. Yeah, something's wrong with my distance formula. Okay, thanks for watching. See ya.